Snoring, especially for bed sharers, is incredibly annoying. Whether you're overweight, you have respiratory problems, or a disorder like sleep apnea, or you're simply unfortunate enough to have been passed down a snoring gene, disturbing the sleep of both yourself and your partner with your nighttime noises is hardly a recipe for good fun. Let's jump straight into this list of the best essential oils for stopping snoring and getting the best night's sleep. 1. Thyme. We'll start with what's considered the best essential oil of them all, thyme. You might be more used to adding this cooking herb to your stews and hot pots, but in essential oil form, it's well known for its medicinal benefits. As a bonus, it also promotes immune system and nervous system well-being, so you can improve your overall health as well as improving sleep quality and decreasing your snoring. Thyme is up there with the best oils for treating sleep apnea. To use thyme to treat snoring, mix it in with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, and apply it to the bottom of your big toes every night. Mix with a little sage for even better anti-snore effects. 2. Marjoram. Like many of the best essential oils for snoring on this list, marjoram oil is derived from another common cooking herb. Smelling marjoram essential oil before sleeping should open up your airways, reducing nasal congestion and helping to reduce snoring. This oil is commonly used in essential oil diffusers for snoring. Simply add it to your diffuser and put it on the 2-hour shutoff setting. As soon as it arrives in your airways, it'll get to work, so there's no need to keep your diffuser on all night. Using essential oils for their anti-snore effects is hit and miss, and oils that work well for you may not be as good for someone else. For that reason, marjoram oil may reduce your snoring in a matter of days, but it could also take up to 6 weeks. An extra bonus of marjoram is that it has sedative properties, and it's often used to treat sleep apnea. 3. Eucalyptus. When it comes to herbal decongestants, eucalyptus is up there with the most effective natural remedies. In essential oil form, eucalyptus has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to open up your airways and reduce snoring. Because of these benefits, eucalyptus isn't only used for preventing snoring and side effects of sleep apnea. Many people find relief from cold and flu with eucalyptus oil, as it can help clear the nasal passages, reducing symptoms. Inhaling eucalyptus essential oil steam is the best way to benefit from this herb. Just pour steaming hot water in a bowl and add up to 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. Then lean over the bowl and take a deep breath in. Repeat for up to 5 minutes. 4. Lemon. If you currently use essential oils around your home, it's likely that you have a stock of lemon essential oil. Many people use lemon oil as a natural air freshener or to add a nice smell to homemade cleaning products, but medicinally, it can also be used to alleviate pain, stimulate the immune system, and help reduce sleep troubles. Lemon can help you breathe easier at night, eliminating congestion, the most common cause of snoring. Of all the essential oils for snoring on this list, it's one of the most widely available, though you'll need to use it up quickly as its shelf life typically doesn't exceed a year. To use lemon essential oil for snoring and sleep apnea, mix a couple of drops with a carrier oil and apply it to your chest and feet to improve your breathing. The majority of people get respiratory relief with lemon oil after a few nights of repeated use. 5. Lavender. If your snore sounds regularly disrupt your sleep, lavender oil may be a good choice to consider. While lavender won't improve the situation in your nose or throat, it will promote restful sleep. In people whose snoring or sleep apnea affects the quality of their sleep, using lavender to drift off at night may prove effective. You can spritz a diluted lavender oil blend mixed with cedar oil for extra benefits directly onto your pillow before sleep. You can also add a few drops of lavender to your essential oils diffusing machine and switch it on whenever you want to enjoy a good night's sleep. 6. Peppermint. Don't reserve your peppermint oil for Christmas only. The purifying properties of this oil can make it easier to breathe. Peppermint can also help to relieve tension in the head and neck, which may be an issue for you if you have a restless night's sleep as a result of snoring or sleep apnea. To benefit from peppermint oil for better breathing and reduced sleep apnea symptoms, find an oil with a roll-on bottle and apply it to your neck before you climb into bed. The oil will open up your sinuses and throat and may also make breathing easier if you're stuffed up with a cold or the flu. 7. Pine. The final oil on this list is pine oil, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce respiratory issues in the nose and throat. As with a number of the essential oils on this list, as well as treating sleep apnea and snoring, pine oil may also help with treating viral colds and flu. The best way to benefit from pine is to add a few drops to your diffusing machine before bed. The oil released into the air is a good sinus soother, and if you snore a lot, it should help to improve your breathing. You probably never thought that essential oils had the power to provide anti-snore benefits. Just remember, if you think you have sleep apnea and you haven't been checked out by a doctor, do that before trying the oils on this list. With sleep apnea often linked to potentially life-threatening illnesses, it's important that you follow your doctor's advice if you plan to try the oils on this list. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to cure snoring for good with this natural remedy. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.